Good morning all. Today we have the concept of homomorphism. We have already learned this when we studied about isomorphism of group between two groups. So a map phi of a group G into group G dash is a homomorphism if the map phi satisfies the homomorphism property phi of AB is equal to phi of A phi of B for all A comma B element of G. This is the homomorphism property. A map phi from G to G dash which satisfies the property phi of AB is equal to phi of A into phi of B is the homomorphism. Now we have 5 examples. First example is trivial homomorphism. For any two group G and G dash there is at least one homomorphism. Phi from G to G dash namely the trivial homomorphism defined by phi of A equal to E dash. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ G ന്ന് G ഡാഷിലെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റിയിലേക്കുള്ള മാപ്പിംഗ് the all element maps to its identity of G dash is the trivial homomorphism for all A element of G where E dash is the identity of G dash. For all A comma B element of G phi of A equal to E dash which is equal to phi of B where E dash is the identity of G. Then phi of AB is equal to E dash which is equal to E dash into E dash which is equal to phi of A phi of B. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി വെച്ചിട്ട് phi of AB equal to phi of A phi of B എന്നുള്ള ഫോംസിൽ എഴുതി. So it is a homomorphism. Now the second example is let F be the additive group of all functions mapping R into R where R is the identity group of real numbers and C be a real number. Define phi C from F to R by phi C of F equal to F of C for all F element of F. നമ്മൾ ഒരു ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ആയിട്ട് ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്തു. അഡിറ്റീവ് ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് അഡിറ്റീവ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഓഫ് all functions from R to R defined as phi C of F is equal to F of C. Then phi C of F of plus G is equal to F ഇവിടെ additive group ആണ്. So these operations are additions, function addition. Phi C of F plus G is equal to F plus G of C which is equal to F of C plus G of C which is equal to phi C of F plus phi C of G for all F comma G element of F. Hence phi C is a homomorphism. This homomorphism is known as evaluation homomorphism. The function addition എന്നുള്ള homomorphism. ആദ്യത്തേത് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി പ്രിസർവിംഗ് എന്നുള്ള പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ആണ് ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തത്. ഇവിടെ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ അഡീഷൻ. അടുത്ത എക്സാമ്പിളിൽ ലെറ്റ് Rn be the additive group of column vectors with n real number components. അപ്പോൾ കോളം വെക്ടേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് മാത്രമുള്ളത് n elements ഉണ്ട്. Let A be an m by n matrix of real numbers defined. Now the phi from Rn to Rm defined by phi of V equal to AV. So A is an m by n and the Rn is column vector ആണ്. So n by 1 ആണ്. So the resulting will be AV will be m by 1. So phi of V equal to AV, then phi is a homomorphism. Then phi of U plus V is equal to A of U plus V which is equal to AU plus AV which is equal to phi U plus phi V. Next example is let GLN R be the multiplicative group of n by n matrices. A matrix is invertible if and only if its determinant A is not zero. So we define the mapping as GLN to Rn to R star defined by phi of A is equal to determinant of A. So for all AB determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B that we know. Therefore this definition of homomorphism psi from GLN R to R star is defined as psi of A is equal to determinant A is a homomorphism. Now next example is let R element of Z and phi R defined as Z to Z be defined by phi Rn of n is equal to nr for all n element of Z. Then for all m comma n element of Z phi R of m plus n is equal to R into m plus n which is equal to Rm plus Rn which is equal to phi R of m plus phi R of n. Hence phi r satisfies the homomorphism property. Now we have a problem. Let Sn be the symmetric group on n letters and let phi from Sn to Z2 be defined by phi of sigma equal to 0 if sigma is an even function, equal to 1 if sigma is an odd function. Show that phi is a homomorphism. For the solution, we have to show that phi is a homomorphism. For that, we have to show that the phi satisfies the homomorphism property. So for that, here we have to take two permutations, sigma mu. Phi of sigma mu is equal to phi of sigma operation നമ്മൾ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് Z2 Z2 operation is Sn composition is permutation multiplication, Z2 addition modulo 2. So phi of sigma mu is equal to phi of sigma addition modulo 2 phi of mu for all sigma mu element of Sn. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ കാണിക്കേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ sigma mu എന്നുള്ള permutation ആയതുകൊണ്ട് there are 4 possibilities are there. First possibility is both sigma and mu are odd. Sigma mu odd ആവുമ്പോൾ phi of sigma is equal to 1 നമ്മൾ ഡിഫൈൻ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അങ്ങനെയാണ്. This is the definition. Phi of sigma equal to 1 if sigma is odd, and phi of here, so phi of sigma equal to 1, phi of mu is equal to 1. So both are odd permutations, so both can be written as product of odd number of transpositions, so their product can be written as odd plus odd, so it's an even product of even number of transpositions. Hence sigma mu is an even number of transposition and phi of sigma mu is equal to even anengil that value is equal to 0. So therefore phi of sigma right side addition modulo 2 phi of mu is equal to 1 addition modulo 2 1 which is equal to 0 which is equal to phi of sigma mu. So നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസിൽ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടെന്ന് കാണിച്ചു. Now case 2 is take sigma is an even permutation and mu is an odd permutation. So sigma is an even permutation, so phi of sigma is equal to 0 and mu is an odd permutation, so phi of mu equal to 1. So sigma by definition sigma is even, so sigma can be written as product of even number of transpositions and mu can be written as product of odd number of transpositions. So their product can be written as even plus odd, which is odd, product of odd number of transpositions. So phi of sigma mu is equal to 1. So phi of sigma addition modulo 2 phi of mu is equal to 0 addition modulo 2 1 which is equal to 1 which is equal to phi of sigma mu. അപ്പോൾ case 2 that property and homomorphism property is satisfied. Now we have to consider the third case. In case 3, sigma is odd and mu is even. Since sigma is an odd permutation and mu is even permutation, phi of sigma is equal to 1 and phi of mu is equal to 0. So odd ആയതുകൊണ്ട് sigma can be written as product of odd number of transpositions and mu can be written as product of even number of transpositions. So their product sigma mu can be written as product of odd plus even is odd, product of odd number of transpositions. So phi of sigma mu is equal to 1. So phi of sigma addition modulo 2 phi of mu is equal to 1 addition modulo 2 0 which is equal to 1 which is equal to phi of sigma mu. Case 4, both sigma and mu are even. Since sigma and mu are even, we have phi of sigma is equal to 0 and phi of mu equal to 0. So their product we can written as the product of both sigma and mu can be written as product of even number of transpositions. So their product will also be we can also write the product sigma mu also as a product of even number of transpositions. So phi of sigma mu is an even number of transpositions, so phi of sigma mu is equal to 0. Now consider phi of sigma addition modulo 2 phi of mu which is equal to 0 addition modulo 2 0 which is equal to 0 which is equal to phi of sigma mu. Now in all cases phi of sigma mu is equal to phi of sigma addition modulo 2 phi of mu for all sigma mu element of Sn. So we can conclude that phi is a homomorphism.